In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up AI Studio triggers for real-time starts. Agent Studio triggers power real-time, event-driven automations for your AI agents. That means when somebody submits a form, starts a chat, or maybe gets tagged, the system records this event and starts running the AI agent in the background, keeping agents and APIs fast, while your agent responds instantly. This architecture is built for high volume and safe testing, so you can roll out triggers gradually without disrupting live traffic. So this real-time engagement can make or break a deal. Let's say somebody books a sales call with you and you would like to pre-qualify them. This can happen via a form that is attached to your calendar. So they book the appointment, they fill out the form, and the qualifying agent can then be triggered, asking a bunch of questions to see if that lead is a fit to jump on a sales call or not. Always remember, the business, or nowadays called the system, that responds fastest will typically sign the client. So let me walk you through how you can set up these triggers inside the Agent Studio. So let's navigate to AI Agents on the left, Agent Studio at the top, then either click Create Agent or select one that you've already created and would like to edit. Then typically this canvas pops up. If it doesn't, you can click Add New Node and then the menu on the left-hand side will show up. Right here, we already have the action Start Trigger. If it doesn't show up, you just click Start Trigger on the left-hand side here. If you would like to delete it, click the bin icon. So let's click on Start Trigger, and on the right-hand side, you can see all the options we have. As I said earlier, we have the trigger options Form Submitted, Lead Tag, Chat Message, and now as well Workflows. So let's start with Form Submitted. Select it, and then here you can once more change the trigger type if you wish so. Then here you can select the form in question. Let's select the form 10 funnel tips. So let's hit save. And now once somebody submits the form 10 funnel tips PDF, then everything else that we will set up as the actions will happen. So this form submitted trigger is really ideal for pre-qualification, instant nurturing, or routing. The form submitted trigger also exposes submitted form fields as variables your agent can then reference in later steps. Now let's click on this. Let's change it to lead tag, for example. Now we have to dictate the tag action. Has the tag been added or has the tag been removed? Let's stick with added. And in the next drop-down menu, you can select the specific tag. If you don't have one, you can click add new. You will be forwarded to all of your tags, and then here you can create a new tag. So let's select 10 funnel tips tag and let's hit save. Now, once somebody gets tagged with the 10 tips funnel PDF tag, the rest of the action will then trigger. The AI agent will start to work in the background without interfering of any other setup workflows. This trigger also provides the contact context, including existing tags and custom fields to your flow. Next up, chat message triggered. Let's select chat message, and here you can see the trigger will fire when a chat message is received. Here, no additional configuration is required. So let's say you have a little chat widget on your website and the message gets initiated through that widget. Then this AI agent would fire. It's really ideal for instant replies, smart routing, or FAQ deflection. Once you're done, hit save and you have set your chat message trigger. When it comes to the tags, let's select tag added, and you can also bulk select different tags at the same time. Let's hit save. And whenever you're ready, you can either publish it, save it, or test it. Here you can run a safe simulation of the selected trigger. You can exactly see which variables and payload the agent receives. And please know that no live contacts are going to be affected. So once you click on it, you will see this popping up. Hey, the trigger type is a tag. The trigger name is lead tag. And here you can select the contact where you would like to test this. Use this to quickly iterate on prompts and notes and verify the flow before you then click publish. The save button will help you to store your current changes as a staging version, so you don't lose work and can return anytime soon later. Please note, nothing goes live yet. Saving is really ideal after each configuration step. For example, choosing tags, forms, and so on. Once you hit publish, this agent will go live for this particular sub-account. Only publish this after you successfully tested this. And make sure the start trigger is connected to the first node. And if the agent is mapped to other features, for example, Ask AI, it typically must be in production to then be selectable. Please note that these triggers are additive, which means they do not change how your existing API invoked agents run. Your existing API agents continue to flow. Triggers only run for the agents where you've added the start trigger. So when a trigger fires, there is more data available to your agent, such as mapped form fields, lead tag events include contact context, and the chat messages include the conversation text and the conversation metadata. And if you don't see the form or tag popping up, you may be in the wrong location. And that's it already. This is how you use triggers inside the Agent Studio. I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist.